your natural solution to hair thinning and hair loss. We are here again at Stephane's Aesthetic Clinic, San Pedro, Laguna to have my second session of PRP hair treatment. As you already know, my hair concern was about my receding hairline, and itutuloy natin ang second session para mas maging visible pa yung result. Aside from mas mabilis na yung pagtubo ng hair ko, napansin kong mas naging stronger ang hair strands ko and hindi na rin ako nagkaka-hair fall. Makikita niyong mas shinier and healthier looking na ang hair ko. Kinuhaan na nga ako ng dugo para mapaghiwalay na yung plasma, and habang ginagawa yung process na yun, binabad na rin yung anesthesia para mag-take effect na. After 30 minutes, ready na nga yung plasma. So again, PRP hair treatment ay para sa mga bald patches, hair thinning, receding hairline, and severe hair loss. This treatment is 100% guaranteed safe, no chemicals, just your own blood. After ng injection, sasabayan rin to ng microneedling habang nilalagay na tirang plasma. Next step is this laser. It stimulates hair follicle and improves blood circulation para sa growing and new hairs. And last is this one para mas maging thicker and stronger pang hair. Kaya it's time to restore your hair's natural beauty. Book your session today here at Stephane's Aesthetic Clinic.